Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the scene and app so scanning works reliably. Position the document flat and well lit. This prevents shadows and improves recognition. Open the scanner app, allow the camera and storage permissions, and frame the page with roughly 0. 5 1-inch margins visible. Then tap the scan or auto capture button and hold steady until the capture confirms. This first step locks focus and exposure, which makes the rest of the process faster and improves text accuracy. Once done capturing, refine the image so the OCR can read cleanly. Crop out borders and rotate to correct orientation, then tweak brightness and contrast to increase contrast between ink and paper. This reduces misreads. Next, choose the OCR language and processing quality. Select high accuracy for legal text or fast mode for notes. Let the app run OCR, then review the recognized text line by line and correct any misreads before saving an editable file. These steps you finish by exporting and verifying the digital file so it's usable. Export as a searchable PDF, TXT, or docx depending on your workflow, and toggle compression if you need smaller files. After export, run spell check and compare the text to the original page, then save backups to cloud or local storage. If OCR fails or text is garbled, retry scanning at higher quality, improve lighting, or switch the OCR language. These fixes address the most common recognition problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.